Hey guys, Sak here from SAKITECH, and in today's video I'm going to share 3 amazing features on the Samsung Messages application for your Samsung Galaxy smartphone. So let's dive in and get started right away. So let me launch the application real quick. That's a Samsung Messages application, and the first thing that I want to talk about is something that was gone for a long time, but now it is back and I love it. So let me show you what I'm talking about. Let me go to one of these conversations here, okay? So that's one right there. What I'm going to do is I'm going to tap on this button here, and then I'm able to tap on Customize Wallpaper, and from here I can pick a specific background color for the actual conversation for that specific conversation, and also change the contrast of the text from white to black. As you can see, black, white. When I tap on Done, what happens is I have that background for that conversation. If I go to any other conversation, such as this one right here, it's not going to have that background, but you can customize this for that phone number as well. Now, let me show you one more thing. When you go inside, you can also tap on the Gallery application and pick any photo that you want from your gallery. So if I tap on the gallery, I can go inside to my downloads folder, for example, and I can pick any one of these things that I want as a background wallpaper. Let's tap on this one. Let's select the area that I want to apply to the wallpaper as the wallpaper. Click Done. Now I'm going to tap on Done one more time. Let me change it to white background here. Look at that. Absolutely beautiful. You can do this for all various conversations. Let's try one more here. Tap on this one, Customize Wallpaper. Tap on this, Downloads. Let's grab this one, readjust it as I please. Click on Done, and look at how amazing that stuff looks in the background. Okay, so that's feature number 1. Let's talk about the other trick I want to talk about. So let's go back into my messages. I'm going to go back over here, and I'm going to bring your attention to this top row over here that says All Family, Verifications, Friends, and Work. So basically you can create categories and put certain messages from certain recipients inside those categories to keep everything nice and clean. So that could be a family category, that could be verifications, this could be a friends category where you have all your friends and conversations you have with them. And then you can also have work related categories right here, which is going to be coworkers and whatnot. So to add a category, all you do is tap on this plus sign and you give it a name. Okay, so just a test category. When you click Done, it's going to ask you to grab the conversations you want to move into that category. You can search or just tap on the ones you want to move over. Then you click Done, and now the test category has all these messages. Everything is nice and organized. Absolutely fantastic. The final thing I want to talk about is when you create a brand new message. First, let me quickly pick a recipient. So I picked a recipient. Before I send a message, I can always tap on this plus icon right here, and I get a whole bunch of options here that you can play with. But the biggest thing is the schedule message option that allows you to schedule a text message to go out to the chosen recipient at a given time and date. This could be great for happy birthday messages and things like that. So you tap on this one, you pick a date, May 20, 1:20 a.m., whatever time you want. Click on Done, and then you write your message, hi, you click on Send, and that message, as you can see, is not sent, but it's scheduled to be sent. There's a little clock icon right next to it. If I tap the clock icon, I can send now, delete, or edit the scheduled message. So these are some fantastic little features on your Messages application. If you have any questions, comments, or concerns, drop them down below and let me know. And for now, guys, have a fantastic day, all right?